This is the Brompton Wide 170mm saddle, the one that comes as standard on many Brompton folding bikes. It's designed with everyday city riders in mind. The saddle measures 170mm across, which gives it a slightly wider platform than a performance saddle. That works well if you're sitting in a more upright position, since it spreads your weight and adds stability. Inside, the padding is firm foam rather than super soft, which means it holds its shape on longer commutes. The surface is synthetic and weather resistant, so you don't have to worry too much about leaving the bike out in light rain or damp conditions. Another thoughtful detail is the integrated handle underneath. When you've folded your Brompton, you can grab the bike securely by the saddle, which makes carrying it on trains or stairs much more convenient. At around 438 grams, it's not the lightest saddle out there, but it's built tough and rated for riders up to 100 kilograms. In short, this saddle does exactly what you need for daily riding: durable, practical, and comfortable enough for commutes and short trips.